Hello, friends. Welcome back to Daily English Chat.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mark, and today we have a fun, simple English lesson for you.
That's right. Today, we're going to practice easy English conversations you can use every day.
Whether you're at home, at the store, or talking to friends, these sentences will help you speak confidently.
And don't worry if you're just starting. We'll go slow, clear, and step by step.
So, grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's start learning English together.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Chat.
Hi, friends. Great to have you here with us again.
Today's topic is simple, your daily English practice.
Yes, small steps every day can make a big difference.
So let's start with some easy daily conversations.
Ready to learn? I hope so. And if not, I brought tea.
Tea is always your solution, Mark.
Absolutely. Tea solves everything, even grammar.
All right, let's begin with a simple greeting.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. I slept very well.
Sleep is important for learning.
Yes, if you're sleepy, even English becomes Ingles.
Don't sleep now, Mark.
I promise, not during the lesson.
Let's practice another daily question.
What are you doing today?
Or, I'm learning English with Mark and Lisa.
That's my favorite sentence.
Let's try a conversation about breakfast.
Good idea. I love breakfast.
What did you eat this morning?
I ate eggs and toast. Simple and tasty.
Very classic.
And you? What did you eat?
I had oatmeal with fruit.
Very healthy. Meanwhile, I eat like a cartoon character.
Breakfast give you energy for the day.
Yes, especially for learning English.
Now, let's practice talking about the weather.
The classic English topic.
So, Mark, how's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
That's nice.
Yes, good weather makes learning easier.
And bad weather makes tea taste better.
Exactly. Perfect for studying.
Let's do a small daily routine example.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
Simple sentences are best for beginners.
Yes, short and clear.
Now, let's practice asking for the time.
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
Very easy, but very useful.
Let's do more.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the store.
What do you need?
I need bread and milk.
Great daily conversation.
And very common.
Let's try a small humor moment.
Oh no, I'm scared.
Don't worry, it's soft humor, beginner level.
Okay, go ahead.
Why did the English book go to the doctor?
I don't know. Why?
Because it had too many problems. I told you, beginner humor.
Mark, let's continue before you tell more jokes.
Okay, but I have more.
Please don't.
Fine, let's practice another daily line.
Can you help me?
Yes, sure.
Easy and helpful.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
It's over there.
Very useful for travel.
Let's try a phone conversation example.
Hello? Who's calling?
It's me, Lisa.
Oh, hi, Lisa.
How are you?
I'm good. What's up?
Just checking on you.
Very kind. Thank you.
See? Simple lines help your speaking improve.
Yes, practice a little every day.
Even 10 minutes can help.
Consistency is the secret.
Let's end part 1 with a final question.
What are you learning today?
I'm learning simple English sentences.
Good job.
And remember, small steps every day.
You're doing great. Keep going.
Okay, friends, part 2 is coming next.
Don't go anywhere.
Take a deep breath.
And let's continue.
Welcome to part 2, everyone.
Let's learn more daily English.
Let's start with shopping phrases.
How much is this?
It's $5.
Very useful at markets.
Next, asking for help in a store.
Excuse me, do you have this in medium?
Yes, one moment, please.
Easy and polite.
Let's practice talking about plans.
What are your plans for today?
I'm meeting a friend.
Sounds fun.
Yes, we'll have coffee.
Coffee is life.
You and your drinks, Mark.
Is life. I'm a simple man. Tea and coffee.
Let's practice introductions.
Hi, I'm Mark.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very important for new learners.
Let's talk about hobbies.
What do you like to do?
I like reading.
Or, I like cooking.
Or, I like watching movies.
Hobbies keep life fun.
Let's learn simple travel sentences.
Where is the train station?
It's straight ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very polite and easy.
Now, let's practice emotions.
I'm happy.
I'm tired.
I'm excited.
I'm hungry.
You're always hungry.
It's my superpower.
Let's do a food order example.
I'd like a chicken sandwich, please.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, a lemonade, please.
Very natural conversation.
Let's do home vocabulary.
This is my room.
This is the kitchen.
This is the bathroom.
Very simple words, but important.
Let's talk about feelings again.
I'm worried.
I'm relaxed.
I'm confident.
Good words for self-expression.
Let's practice asking questions politely.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Very basic introduction lines.
Let's talk about daily reminders.
Don't forget your keys.
Don't be late.
Careful.
Take your time.
Very supportive phrases.
Let's do a small scenario at home.
Can you turn on the light?
Sure,
Can you close the door?
no problem.
Easy everyday English.
Let's practice final review lines.
I understand.
I don't understand.
Can you repeat that?
Please speak slowly.
Very helpful for beginners.
Let's close with motivation.
You are learning step by step.
A little practice every day makes you better.
Don't rush.
Don't worry.
And don't give up.
We're proud of you.
Keep going.
Keep practicing.
You're doing great.
Really great.